So now we're gonna do Finish Him liquid lipstick from Looks of Vanity. She is gorgeous and she is matte, and she comes with a liquid lipstick. See? And you can grab these from looksofvanity.com. So the smart thing with a red liquid lipstick or a red lipstick is you want to fill in your lips with the lip liner first. See how I fill it all the way in? Oh, gotta be careful now. This lip liner looks like a liquid lipstick, but I'm gonna put a liquid lipstick on top. But this is the liner that comes with it. You can even wear this by itself, but I'm going to put a liquid lipstick on top. Okay, and she is called Finish Him. Okay, the good thing about this is that it has a mirror on the back so you can see yourself, and it comes with a light. Isn't that crazy? And being that you already lined your lips, it's gonna make it easier to apply the liquid lipstick so you're not over here struggling. So many people are scared of red. Red is my absolute favorite because it just gives you like a pop. See how it looks good with the glasses? See how it looks good without the glasses. So you can't go wrong with a good red. Oh,